Hello guys, today I will buy this. It's so yummy. Guys, I will eat.
其實你做乜要我着到手粒熒光橙咁咧？山腳都見到。
我就係想咁，萬一有
個 rainbow
你就係七黑松嘅螢火蟲。
胡仔，喂，日仔照舊，熱揸啤我走，收咗。哇！嗰晚你睇得幾大風，係咁吹，我離遠望到啊，都戥佢哋緊張啊！我係大叔，睇緊啲咩咁緊張啊？你睇下。
I really like eat this wrap because it's rainbow. It's so yummy.
街叔咧就喺朋友屋企影低晒成個嘅拯救過程啫嘛。原來你哋就係講緊呢一單，我都唔明啊！呢個人做咩咁魯莽嘅啫？一個人
My hair is a
標
rainbow.
住嘅地方嗰度，最後搞到咧有直升機又拯救隊咁成隊人出動，你話係咪浪費資源咧？
係浪費我哋納稅人啲錢啊！嗱，計個位應該公道啲嘅，夠啲人翻嚟就要呢啲人俾翻錢，因為老母係有代價噶嘛。喂，咖啡。
It's so yummy,
即係好似之
guys.
前華家沙打到10號風球係咪先？你做咩仲
I
要走
really like
嗰
eat
度
this.
伴郎啊？仲要一家大細咁樣樣，好彩最後救得翻啫，真係好彩咋。
Yummy, so yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so yummy.
又話要出海衝浪啊！
Yum, 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 yum.
分足累埋救佢哋嘅人啊！呢啲人點會咁自私嘅真係啊！
喺政府研究緊係咪可以用法例阻限，應該好快有結果啦。
其實無論出海又好，行山都好，係要。
Bye bye, guys. I finish to eat, guys. Bye bye.